Small choices can often snowball into significant regrets if we're not careful. Here are 8 seemingly minor decisions that can sometimes lead to bigger issues down the road. Number 1. Ignoring your health. Skipping regular checkups, neglecting exercise, or opting for unhealthy eating habits may seem inconsequential at the moment but can lead to major health problems later on. Number 2. Procrastinating on important tasks. Putting off important tasks, whether it's work-related or personal responsibilities, can lead to increased stress, missed opportunities, and diminished outcomes. Number 3. Neglecting relationships. Taking loved ones for granted or not putting effort into maintaining relationships can lead to feelings of isolation and regret when those connections weaken or dissolve. Number 4. Overusing credit. Racking up credit card debt or taking on unnecessary loans might offer short-term benefits, but the long-term financial strain and interest can lead to substantial regret. Number 5. Avoiding difficult conversations. Not addressing issues or avoiding necessary conversations can allow problems to fester, leading to bigger conflicts or misunderstandings in the future. Number 6. Ignoring personal growth. Sticking to your comfort zone and avoiding opportunities for personal development or learning can limit your potential and lead to regrets about missed chances. Number 7. Making impulsive decisions. Acting on impulse without considering the consequences can result in regretful outcomes, whether it's buying something you don't need or making major life changes hastily. Number 8. Neglecting self-care. Failing to take time for yourself, whether it's for relaxation, hobbies, or mental health, can lead to burnout and regret over not having prioritized your own well-being. Being mindful of these small choices and their potential impacts can help mitigate future regrets and lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified of our next video update. Stay tuned and be the first to know.